today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make $5 over and over every 10 minutes. Just you spend 10 minutes of your time and you make $5. It is completely free to join this website or application, and it needs no upfront investments or skills. Okay, all you have to do is to exchange time to make it happen. So what are you waiting for, guys? Just make sure to watch my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, BekriBizTV. I'm making videos showing you different ways and different possibilities to make money online. Okay, but guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box. So this is what you're gonna learn by the end of this video: the application that you should download and the website that you have to visit, also how to increase your earnings and make even more, and the last thing is how to make passive income and earn more money while you're asleep. Okay, and also if you want to make something like this, $245, it is possible with this application, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this. I know you guys, you know a lot of applications to make money online, but you won't believe that it is possible to make that kind of money with just a mobile application. Okay, just using your mobile phone, something that you're taking with you wherever you go. Okay, so let's dig in and let's get to the point. So today's application is App Karma. Okay, so App Karma is an application that gives you the ability to make money just by exchanging points. Okay, you earn rewards while playing with apps, and it is completely free to join this application. All you have to do, guys, is to download the application from the App Store or the Play Store. That depends on the phone that you are using. Okay, and once you complete those offers, you earn rewards and you can redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards like Amazon cards, gift cards, and something like that. Okay, and it's not just that. Okay, you can refer other people to this application and you can earn 30% of what your referrals earn. And this is, yeah, when I say that you can make something like $245, it is possible, but not by taking offers. Okay, by taking offers you're just gonna make like $20 a day, but if you want to make more than that, you can just refer people to this application and you're gonna earn 30% once they make something. For example, if they made $100 on this application, you'll make $30. Okay, that's $30. You're not doing anything just by referring other people to this application. Isn't it amazing, guys, the ability to make money just by referring other people and making 30% of what they do? This is the referral program. So if you have a YouTube channel where each of your videos can generate over 10,000 views within a week, you can upgrade to the VIP and you can go to YouTubers here and take a look at it. You can make money, even more money, if you have a YouTube channel that gets you more than 1,000 views for each video a week. Okay, and also, guys, so this is Karma Plays. So Karma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on App Karma. Okay, so simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for and then play it for each day to earn extra bonuses. That could be like 10% bonuses or 20% bonuses. This is another additional good thing. And what you have to know, guys, is that once you start on this application, you start with level 1, which means what you earn is the least that you can earn. And the more you earn on this application, the more you're consistent on this application, the more you get leveled up. Okay, and the more you get leveled up, the more you'll earn for the same thing that you've been doing anyway. Okay, so this is the application that I wanted to show you guys. It is a great application. Just take a look at these achievement badges. Okay, for example, if you install 5 apps or watch 25 videos, which is video ads, or check in 5 times, okay, you'll get leveled up. And this is how you get the badge. And once you get the badge, that means you're no more in level 1, you're in level 2, and you're gonna get paid more for the same thing that you've done before, like 12.5% if you leveled up from level 2 to level 3. And this is a great thing. Okay, they are willing to pay you even more if you're consistent by doing this. So why not? Okay, you're just holding your phone with you, and once you're doing nothing, why not just playing some games? You're already playing games anyway. Okay, just play some games from this application and you're gonna earn money. Or if not, you can refer other people to this application and make passive income with it. So I want you to go to this website and download this application right now. And if you have any other questions, just make sure to put them in the comment section. I will go there and answer your questions immediately. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and let's see you in the next one. But guys, if you want to make full-time income online, to quit that 9 to 5 job, to do whatever you want whenever you want, and to support your family and your needs, all you have to do is to check the link in the description box.